Hello students, good morning. This is your exercise solution discussion for the topic more about computers. Students, first section of this exercise is fill in the blanks. So students, you have to do these types of questions by filling the given appropriate words. And first question is there are blanks types of computer based on their sizes. So first blank is filled by 4, and second question is blanks is a computer system in a small size. Second blanks will be filled by microcomputer, and third is blanks are capable of supporting hundreds of users at a time, and third blank is filled by mainframes, and fourth statement is hardware refers to the blanks of the computer system, and fourth blank is filled by components. And the second section of exercise, write T for true and I for false for the following statement. So students, you have to write T for the correct statement and F for the incorrect statement within the block. Let's see how you do these types of question. First is one, low level language deals with the computer hardware. Students, this statement is correct, so you have to write T within the block. And next statement is computer is a versatile machine. This statement is correct, so you have to write down true. And third statement is computer have zero IQ. This statement is correct statement, so you have to write down T for the correct statements. And next, supercomputer are used in banks. This statement is correct, so you have to write down here F within the block. And next section is write one word for the following. So students, you have to write down exactly one word for the given statement. First is one, which language is machine independent? Answer will be high level, students, high level language, not low level language, high level language. And next is one, name some high level languages. Basic, COBOL, C, C++, Fortran, Prolog. These are high level languages. And next is which computer can do very large calculation? Answer will be mainframe computer. And next is what is the full form of HLL? HLL stands for high level language. And next section is short answer questions. So students, first question is write a short note on microcomputer. Let's see these answers, students. A microcomputer is a computer system which is small in size. It includes hardware, operating system, and application software. Next is what is supercomputer? A supercomputer is an extremely fast computer that can perform thousands of instructions per second. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for the specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. For example, weather forecasting and scientific simulations. And next is what are the limitations of a computer? First is one, computer cannot decide their own and computers have zero IQ. They need to be instructed on each and every steps. And next is one, write a short note on HLL and triple L. Here students, HLL stands for high level language and it is near to human language. And next is one, triple L stands for low level language. It is far from human language. And next section of your exercise is long answer questions. First question is, write the difference between high level language and low level language. So students, we will see answer. Here a high level language, one section is allocated for high level language and another is for low level language. And first point is, high level languages are easy to learn and low level languages are difficult to learn. And second point is, these languages are near to human languages and low level language are far from human languages. And next is one, programs in high level language are easy to modify and programs written in machine language are difficult to in low level language are difficult to modify. And next is one, knowledge of hardware in high level language is not required to write programs, and in low level language deep knowledge of hardware is required to write programs. And next is one, high level language. In high level languages, such languages are normally used to write application programs, and machine level languages are normally used to write the hardware programs. And next is one, write the capabilities of computer. So students, first capability is speed. Computer just because computer are faster as compared to human beings. And next is accuracy. Computers can perform all the calculations and the comparison accurately. And third is one, high storage capacity. Computers can store a large amount of information in very small space. And next is one, versatility. Computer is a versatile machine. This machine can be used to solve the problems related to the various fields. So students, and now your next section of your exercise is multiple choice question. So students, in these types of questions, there are 4 options are given. So you have to choose the correct answer for the given question. And first question is, the smallest and the least expensive device that we normally call a computer is mini computer. And next is one, an extremely fast computer that can perform thousands of instructions per second. The correct option is supercomputer. And next question is, high level languages are easy to learn, and this option is correct. And next is, which of the following is not a high level language? So students, correct option for this question is assembly language. So students, this is all about your exercise discussion for the topic of more about computers.